everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. I'm going to upgrade my headlights to LED lights. It's very simple and easy process. And without wasting any time, let's get started. It's a bright sunny day. This is how the HUMMER light looks. Both of the lights are OEM lights. As you can see, I have replaced the light on the passenger side. That is LED, and the driver side is still original OEM light. LED light is perfect. So these are the original OEM bulb which comes in a HUMMER. And I'm going to replace with these LEDs, and it comes in a two part. This is the connector, and the second part is LED itself. Small tab running all the way through, and this one has a small cutout which is cavity. So you align with that just like this, and it goes inside. Then you tighten it. Once it's fully tightened, our LED is ready. I really like these LED. The reason being, these LEDs have something unique. If you take a look here, you will see a small groove. So if you grab this and you turn it, it opens up. And if you look at one tab on this side, one tab on this side, you place it between these grooves like this, and you see it sits right there. Just turn it and it locks in. That's the best thing I like about these LEDs. So now I'm going to show you how to install the LEDs, and it's very simple and easy. So let's get started. This is the driver's side headlight. This is how it looks. This one has the locking nut. When you open it, it opens up like this. Then you close it. It closes like this. It keeps the bulb in place. In order to open the bulb, there is a clip. You push with the finger, you push up, and then you lift the connector. You just wiggle around, and the connector comes out. This is the locking nut. You turn it, then you take it out, and this keeps the bulb in place. When you put it on, then you turn it clockwise and it locks in. The bulb stays firmly in its place. So I'm going to open it. You take the locking nut out and then take the bulb out. Just like that. So that's how it's easy you take out the bulb. This is the bulb I have taken out, and this is new LED I'm going to replace with. We're going to drop the LED like this, but the problem is the locking nut. It's not going to fit because the fan is too big, so it's not gonna go on top of it. These LEDs, they make it in two pieces. Put it down here. It sits down firmly. Then we put the locking nut, which locks in, and now we're going to place the bulb just like this. Then we're going to turn it and it locks in. Now our LED is securely locked in. It's not going to move at all. Now this is the wiring and this is the connector. Plug it in, it only goes one way, and we're going to press it. You heard the snap. It locks in to that tabbing. So this is the wiring. Tie one here. I'm going to use two tie wraps. One here, put another tie wrap here. You can use electrical tape, whatever is easier for you, just like that. It's not going to move anywhere. So that's how simple and easy to install the LED, and I will install the LED on the passenger side the same way as I have shown to you. This is the one tip you need to watch out. When you're placing your LED, it has to be straight like this, not sideways. LED upgrade has been completed, and I'm going to show it to you. I will turn it on. This is the broad daylight, and the LED upgrade look really nice on a HUMMER. So that's how it's easy and simple to upgrade your headlight to LED light. And I will show you the comparison at night time. Look at these, are so bright, really bright. It brings the outlook of HUMMER. These LED lights look awesome. And please stay tuned for more videos on HUMMER. I'm going to install more LED light on my grill. It's nighttime, you can see how the light looks. I have replaced the LED on the driver's side, and on the passenger side is still original OEM. You can see the difference, how bright light is. I will list the product information under my description in case if you want to upgrade your HUMMER, so please check it out. This is the nighttime. Look at how bright lights are. I have so many solar lights on my driveway. Turn it on now. This is how it looks, the LED light. It's very bright. You can see it far away. And these are the spotlights, the one I have on the grill. Very powerful. You can see it. It's so clear. I hope this video going to help you out to upgrade your own HUMMER. And if you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe easy steps. And I'm going to see you soon with more Hummer videos. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.